Hello everyone. Today in this video we will get to know about TDS on purchase of goods. So first, let us know this in detail. Income Tax Act 1961. One new section has been added, 194Q, which means if the person is a buyer and whose turnover is more than 10 crore in the previous financial year, and if he purchases goods from their supplier of more than 50 lakh or whose transaction is more than 50 lakh, then TDS will be deducted on it. And also if the buyer has provided their PAN, then 0.1% tax will be deducted. And if a buyer doesn't provide their PAN, then 5% tax will get deducted. And this will be applicable from 1st July 2021. So now let us see its process in the software. For this you will go to Masters, then to Mark Setups, then go to the Control Room, then search TDS here and Accept. Here you will get an option TDS on purchase. Select Y here. Then next is calculate only if customer purchase cross 50 lakhs. Means if buyer purchase value is above 50 lakhs, then TDS will be calculated on it. Then mention the date here, 1st July 2021, from which date it will be applicable. After this, next is percentage on PAN customer. It means if customer provides their PAN, then 0.1% TDS will be deducted. And if you don't provide PAN, then 5% TDS will be deducted. After this, now press the escape key and save the changes. Then now the party whose TDS you want to deduct. So for that, you will go to Masters, then to Ledger Masters, then Ledger, and then go to Modify Ledger. Then press Enter key on party and go to Other Detail. So you will see here an option of TDS on purchase is shown. Now as you want, whenever you do billing of this party, then software should deduct TDS automatically. Then you will select here Charge. If you want that when you do billing of this party, the software should first ask you to deduct TDS, then we will select Ask Charge. If you want that software should check first whether TDS will be applicable or not and then deduct TDS. So we will select Auto Check and Charge. If the user wants that the software must firstly check that whether TDS will be applicable or not and then ask before deducting TDS, so select Auto Check and Ask. So you will select an option accordingly. So we select Ask Charge and by pressing the page down key, save it. After this, we will now generate a purchase bill. Select the ledger, mention the party number. Then select the items. And by pressing tab key, save the bill. So you will see a TDS alert is shown here where it is shown that the party has PAN and 0.1% TDS will be applicable on its bill amount. And now you want to deduct the TDS. So we will do yes. So in this way TDS will be charged at the time of automatic billing. Then now we will save the bill. After this, go to Books, then go to All Ledgers. Select the party of whose TDS you want to deduct. Press Enter, mention the date, then go to Ledger. All bills will be shown to you at this party. Now simply select the bill on which TDS has been deducted and press F8 key. So you will see its posting is done automatically in the purchase voucher. And if you will come again on All Ledgers, then you will get here the ledger of TDS on purchase. Press Enter on it, mention the date and go to the ledger. So here it will be shown to you that on the purchase of which goods TDS has been deducted. After this, now let us see how you will view the TDS report. Before generating TDS reports, you will take care of this thing that first you will go to GST, then to TDS TCS reports, then go to miscellaneous deductor details. And the person who is deducting TDS means who is responsible to deduct the tax. The details of this will be filled. And do OK. After this, now to view TDS reports, you will go to GST, then to TDS TCS reports, then go to Form 26Q. From here, by pressing the space bar, you will select TDS on purchase. Then select the period here of which quarter you want to see the details. Then tax deduction account number, permanent account number, then mention the name and designation of the person who is responsible to deduct the tax. Then mention the place of report and date of report. Then now we will view. So in this way, details of the return will be shown to you. Apart from it, you can print it, you can export it in Excel, and you can view in GUI also. So friends, in this way you learned about TDS on purchase of goods in Mark Software and learn to deduct TDS on purchase of goods. Thanks for watching.